Hello guys, welcome to How to Login. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to leave a review on Airbnb. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. An Airbnb is a residential property that hosts rent on a short-term basis to travelers. It can be anything from a house, a single room, a boat, or even a tree house. Think of it as pop-up accommodation, a marketplace where people rent out their properties. In order to leave a review, follow these steps. Go to Airbnb.com in a web browser. You cannot use the mobile app to write or edit reviews. Click Login. It's at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your login details to sign in. Type in your username and password, or if you've linked your Facebook account with Airbnb, click Login with Facebook to sign in. Click your account name and icon. You'll see this in the top right corner of the page. A menu will drop down. Click Profile. You'll be directed to your profile page. Click Reviews by You. You'll see this in the center of your profile page. After clicking this, you'll be redirected to your Reviews page, where you'll see the Reviews About You and Reviews by You. Click the Reviews by You tab. After clicking this, the page will display all the past reviews you've written as well as all the hosts or guests you've stayed with and are waiting to be reviewed. You'll also have the opportunity to edit past reviews you've written in the Past Reviews You've Written section. Give your feedback. To do so, select a user profile under the Reviews to Write header. Write your review in the text field provided. Press Enter on your keyboard to submit the review. Keep in mind though that you need to complete an entire stay before you can write a review for it to be considered genuine and valid. I hope you guys liked this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.